Let's be honest, life feels louder than ever. We're surrounded by noise, news, opinions, deadlines, and distractions. Our minds rarely get a break. The result? We feel restless, tired, and disconnected from the happiness that's already here. But it doesn't have to be this way. Calm is not something you wait for. It's something you create. The fastest way to calm your mind is through your breath. Think about it. When you're stressed, your breathing becomes shallow and fast. When you're relaxed, it's slow and deep. That's because your breath and your emotions are linked. So if you can control your breath, you can control your mind. Here's something powerful. It's called box breathing. It's used by monks, elite athletes, even Navy SEALs to stay calm under intense pressure. And it's incredibly simple. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds. Pause for 4 seconds. Repeat this for 1 minute, that's all. You'll feel your heart slow down, your thoughts quiet, and a sense of balance return. Do this whenever you feel overwhelmed, before a meeting, during an argument, or even while standing in line at the grocery store. The beauty is, nobody will even notice you're doing it, but you'll know because your inner storm will turn into still water. Your mind is like a garden, and every thought is a seed. Some seeds grow into flowers, joy, love, creativity. Others grow into weeds, worry, anger, fear. If you spend your days consuming negativity, endless bad news, gossip, arguments, don't be surprised if your mental garden gets overrun by weeds. Guard your garden. Protect your mind from toxic inputs. Limit the time you spend on things that drain your energy. Instead, feed it with inspiration, books, uplifting conversations, time in nature, quiet reflection. Just like you'd water flowers and remove weeds, do the same with your thoughts. Ask yourself, is this thought helping me grow, or is it pulling me down? What you allow into your mind is what shapes your mood, your energy, and even your future. Remember this, you can't always control what happens in your life, but you can control what you allow to take root in your mind. Now here's the secret that turns calm into happiness. Gratitude. Your brain is wired to focus on problems. It's a survival instinct, but gratitude rewires it to focus on blessings instead. And when you train your mind to see what's good, life starts to feel lighter, richer, more joyful. Every morning or evening, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big. In fact, the small ones are often the most powerful. The warmth of sunlight on your face, a friend checking in on you, the smell of coffee in the morning. By doing this, you're telling your brain, this matters, this is worth noticing. Within weeks, you'll notice a shift. Less complaining, more appreciating. Less searching for happiness, more feeling it. Because gratitude turns what you have into enough. So here's your 3-step formula for a calm, happy life. Breathe deeply to anchor yourself in the present. Protect your mind like the precious garden it is. And end each day with gratitude, no matter how small the blessings. Do this for 7 days and see how your life changes. Calm and happiness aren't destinations. They're companions you carry inside you, wherever you go. And the more you practice these habits, the stronger they become. So start today. Your calm, happy life isn't waiting for someday. It begins now.